Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the essential steps you need to take to begin your investing journey. Are you ready to learn how to make your money work for you? Investing doesn't have to be intimidating, and with the right guidance, you can build real wealth over time. Before we jump into the details, let's recap the foundational concepts of investing. Remember, it's crucial to approach this process with a clear mindset and strategic planning. Having a solid understanding will empower you to make informed decisions that will set you on a path toward financial success. Before you embark on this investing adventure, let's tackle the fundamentals. Understanding what investing truly entails is vital. It's not merely about buying assets but rather about growing your wealth over time. This foundational knowledge will enable you to navigate the investment landscape with confidence and clarity. So first, break down the primary avenues through which wealth typically expands: stocks, real estate, businesses, and bonds. Each of these holds unique opportunities and risks, and getting a grasp on their differences will allow you to align your investment strategies with your financial goals. Before we delve deeper into each investment type, let's highlight why starting your investing journey today matters. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, leveraging the power of compound interest. This isn't just a theory, it's a proven principle that allows small investments to snowball into significant wealth over the years. Now that we've established what investing is and why it's important to start early, let's discuss the foundational steps you should take before diving into specific investments. First off, it's essential to manage any high-interest debt you may have. These debts can hinder your progress and often outweigh any gains you might achieve through investing. Therefore, tackling credit cards and loans with high rates will set you up for a more successful financial journey. Next, it's wise to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net will prevent you from having to liquidate investments in case of unexpected financial emergencies. Lastly, creating an investment budget, no matter how small, helps build a habit of regular investing. Like nurturing a sapling into a mighty tree, consistent, small investments can yield valuable returns over time. Now, let's focus on the various types of investments available to you as a beginner. The first investment option we'll explore is stocks. Stocks represent ownership in companies like Apple, Google, and Tesla. By purchasing shares, you have the opportunity to benefit from the company's growth. However, it's important to remember that stocks can experience price fluctuations, making them potentially high-risk investments. They are fantastic for long-term wealth accumulation, especially if you do thorough research and choose wisely. Investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds is a great next step. These options allow you to invest in a collection of stocks, effectively giving you a diversified investment for a lower cost. Think of ETFs as a basket containing shares from various companies. This approach helps mitigate risks associated with individual stocks, as the performance of multiple companies is averaged out. Index funds, particularly those tracking the S&P 500, are an excellent starting point for new investors because they encompass a broad array of established firms. Both ETFs and index funds can provide safer and more stable returns for those just starting out, allowing your wealth to grow steadily over time. Now, let's discuss real estate as your next investment option. Many people believe you need significant capital to invest in property, but that's not entirely true. There are innovative ways to enter the real estate market, even with limited funds. Platforms for real estate crowdfunding allow you to pool your money with other investors, enabling you to invest in larger projects. Additionally, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide opportunities to earn rental income without needing to physically own or manage properties. This can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio while benefiting from the stability real estate can offer, combined with the potential for solid returns. Finally, let's touch on bonds, which are a reliable investment option suitable for building long-term wealth. Bonds are essentially loans you provide to governments or corporations, and in return, they pay you back with interest over time. While they may not offer the highest returns, bonds are known for their stability and can serve as a conservative foundation in your investment portfolio. Balancing your investments with a portion allocated to bonds can minimize risk, especially during market fluctuations. Having a diversified approach that includes bonds can create an overall stronger portfolio, equipping you to face various market conditions confidently. But wait, there's also cryptocurrency, an optional yet exciting investment avenue. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen dramatic growth, but they come with high volatility and risk. To sum it all up, investing is a journey that requires patience, knowledge, and a commitment to growth. By starting small, remaining consistent, and making informed choices, you can lay the groundwork for a prosperous financial future. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your investment journey begins now.